What up, guys? I'm going to show you the gooseneck that I built for my 3-year-old nephew. He wanted a trailer so he could have a trailer like mine, pull around a trailer with his gooseneck, with his gator. So I built him a little gooseneck out of foul materials around here. We got angle iron, square tube, some angle iron down there, piece of plywood, old plywood I took off a trailer when I refloored it. You see, we did the logo, Big Stink Trailers. My nephew's nicknamed Stinky. And then we had some dolly tires we put right there. I put him some D-rings on there. You know, down here is just a piece of angle iron with some round stock with a washer, and this just sits. I gotta fix that, but it just like that, and when he pulls it, it pulls the whole thing, and it actually can hold some weight. I actually sat down on there and he pulled me around on it. So here's the video. I promised a lot of people the video of him driving it, so let's get to it. Thanks for watching, guys.